String. String is a array of characters. Okay class? It is array of characters. String is an array of characters. Okay class? The end of string, the end of string is marked with the end of string is marked with a special symbol, called null character. Okay? Called null character. Null character is denoted by backslash 0. Class, this is the forward slash and this is the backslash. So this one is true. This is the backward slash. So backslash 0 is a null character. Null character has ASCII value 0. Class, null character has ASCII value 0. But 0 has ASCII value. But 0 is decimal number, signed decimal number. Here 0 is signed decimal number. But 0 has ASCII character 48. Okay class? In C language, string is not data type. String is not a data type. In C language, string is not a data type. But C language allows the string constant and string format specifier and string format specifier. Class, there are some points here. String is a array of characters. Okay, it is denoted by the end of string is marked with a special character that is called the null character. Null character has ASCII value 0. Okay, but 0 that is the signed decimal number. In decimal number system 0 has ASCII value 48, but null character has ASCII value 0. but 0 has ASCII value 48. Okay, so null character is denoted by \0. This is the null character. This is not null character. This is the forward slash. So this is wrong. Okay, this is the null character. In C language, string is not a data type. Okay, but C language allow the string constant and string format specifier, that is the %s. Okay, here it is written here. In C language, string is not a data type, but C language allows the string constant and string format specifier, that is %s. That is %s. This is the string format specifier, and string constant is, I am going to telling you string constant in next program. Okay, this is the string definition. So string is an array of characters okay. So string is an array of characters. So first we are going to make array of characters, char a, here 10. Class, here a is an array of characters. Here a is an array. In this array b can store up to 10 characters. Okay, so string is an array of characters terminated by null character. Okay, so this is the declaration of string. It can be also suppose ch of 200. This is also declaration of string. Ch is a array of characters. In ch we can store up to 200 characters. So ch is a string. ch is a string because string is a array of characters. Declaration of string. Now initialization of string. Initialization of string. Here suppose char a of 10 equal to hello world. Hello world. Here class a is a array, a is a string. Here b declare the string a and b assign the constant to array a. Okay, here this is the constant, string constant. This is the string constant. Okay, in C language, string is not data type, but C language allow the string constant. This is the string constant. Okay. This is the string constant assigned to array A, and A is an array of characters. A can store up to 11 characters. Okay, so there are 11 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space character, space is also character, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can write here 11 or more than 11. Okay, dimension. So this can be written as, it is same as char a of 11 equal to hello, sorry, comma, there is a space class here, so we write this. This is the space, here is a space, comma, space is also character, so we have to write this also here, W, comma, O, comma, R, comma, L, comma, D, and in last null character. Class, this initialization is same as this initialization. You may choose anything. Either you can take this method to initialize a string, or you can take this method to initialize a string. Okay class, when you write hello world in this way, when you initialize a string in this way, then there is no need to write the \0. But if you write this initialization like this, so you have to write \0 in the last. Okay, so here H, E, L, L, O, here is a space, so there is a space, here is a space basically, comma, W, comma, O, comma, R, comma, L, comma, D, in last null character. Okay, you may choose any one method to initialize an string. Okay, now we are going to describe some problem on string. Here suppose void main here char a equal to a is a string here, a equal to hello world, hello world, class. There is no need to write dimension here. You may write, because in 1D array, when you initialize, then this array size becomes optional when you initialize the array. So this is the string, a is a string because it is an array of characters. Okay, and this is the string constant assigned to this hello world, and written it is within string quotes, enclosed within string quotes, and in last semicolon. Okay, here puts a and close, and bracket is closed here. Puts is a predefined function used to print the string. Okay, puts is used to print the string, multi-word string. Puts can print the multi-word string or simply string. Okay, next question is void main char a of 11 equal to hello world, Okay class, this is initialization, and you can print string by printf also. You can print by puts and you can also print by printf. Okay, by using string format specifier %s, and this is closed here. Okay class, both are same. Here you use puts to print string A, here you use printf to print string A. Okay, and A string has hello world, so hello world here printed here, hello world is also printed here. Okay, another problem, suppose here void main here char A of hello world. Okay, and here you can print by the %c. Okay, here we take I integer type. For I equal to 0, I is less than I equal to 0, I is less than 11, I plus plus printf %c A of I. This for loop is closed here and this main is closed here. This is another problem. Now another problem is void main char A, suppose 15. Char A 15, you declare the string here. Here you are not assigned the string. Here you not initialize the string. Here you declare the string. Okay, now gets A, puts A. This is another problem. Another method. Class, all problem are same. In all 4 programs, hello world is printed. Hello world is a string and hello world is printed in all 4 programs by different methods. Class here, void, okay, hello world, puts A is supplied in this function. So puts is a predefined function. It is used to print the string. Okay class, so hello world is printed here. This is another method. Problem is same, but this problem is implemented by another method. Void main char A of 11 equal to hello world. Okay class, printf %sa. Here we are using the printf function. In place of puts function, we use the printf function to print the hello world, to print the string A. Okay class, so here there is change. In place of puts, we have used the printf function. The same problem is done by another method, by third method, void main char A of hello world. Okay, there is no bracket here. Basically, there is a semicolon only. Okay, int I, there is a need of I for loop, so I declare the int I. For I equal to 0, I is less than 11, I plus plus loop execute 11 times. Okay, there are 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay class, So loop execute from 0 to 10, total 11 times. Printf %c a of I. Okay. Here we print the hello word by printf. Here we have also used printf to print the string. Here we have also used printf to print the string. But here we use the format specifier %s, and here we use the format specifier %c. %c print character by character. %c print the string character by character, one character at a time. %c print a of 0 first time. %c print a of 1 second times. %c print a of 2 third time. So first time print h, second times print e, third time print l. In this way printf print hello word by using the format specifier %c. Okay, so here we have used %c to print the string. Here we have used %s to print the string a. Okay, this is the another method. Problem is same to print the hello word, to print the string hello word. This is the fourth method. Okay, void main char a of 15. Class, here a string is just declared, not initialized. In all three programs, string is initialized. Here string is not initialized, here string is declared. Okay, so we have used the gets function to take the string. Okay, and we have used puts function. Here is s. Here we use puts function to print the string a. So class, gets is a function. Gets is a predefined function which is used to take the string, which is used to input the string, and puts is a predefined function used to print the string. Okay class, so here is we can store up to 15 characters. So user can input here string, and here we can print it. The fifth method is void main char a equal to 15. Here string a is declared, not initialized. Scanf %s, and a, not %a. A is a string name, and string name supply the base address, so there is no need of %. In case of array name, when you write array name, then there is no need to write %, because array name already supply the base address. It's already okay. Printf %s a and close. This is the fifth method to print to execute the same problem. Class, here is a string. This string a can store up to 15 characters. Okay, scanf %s a, printf %s a. This scanf is used to input the string, and this printf is used to print the string. Here there is no need of %. When you write array name, this is the a is the array name, array of characters, that is the string. When you write array name, then there is no need of %. In scanf. Okay, because array name already provide the base address, so there is no need of to write %, for address. Okay, but there is a limitation of scanf function. Here scanf function can take the string that is the single word string. not multi-word. This kind of function cannot hold the multi-word string. Suppose you want to enter Amit Kumar Singh. Amit Kumar Singh. So scanf can only take the Amit, not Kumar Singh, because there is a space. There is a space after Kumar. There is a space. Okay. So when space is encountered, when space is encountered, scanf think that string is finished. String is terminated. That's why when you input the Amit Kumar Singh, scanf take only the Amit. Scanf cannot take multi-word string. There are 3 words. 1, 2, 3. So Amit Kumar Singh is a string, and this is the multi-word string. In this string there are 3 words. Okay. So scanf cannot hold Amit Kumar Singh. It only take the first word. Okay. So there is a limitation. To remove the limitation, there is a need to change here. Between percent and s, there is a need. Between percent and s, there is a right square bracket, and this symbol \n. If you write this between percent and s, then this scanf function becomes capable to hold the multi-word string. Now scanf can take Amit Kumar Singh. Now when you print the printf %s, then Amit Kumar will be printed. When you use this in scanf function here between percent and s. Okay class. So this is the 5th method to print the same string, same things. Okay. Now we are going to change. Now suppose another method is, suppose class there is a 6th method. Here B do not initialize. Just declare the array string. Okay class. Here we just declare the string, not initialize. So we have to take this string either by initialization or by the scanf function. So we are going to write here scanf function. So here we write scanf, and here we write %. Okay class. This is closed, and this is for I equal to 1, I is less than r equal to 11, I plus plus printf %c a of I. This loop is closed here and main is closed here. Class, this is another problem. This is another method to tackle the same problem. Class, here you can see char a of 15. Here string a is not initialized, so we have to take the string by the scanf function int I. There is need of variable I for loop, so we declare the int I for I equal to 0, comma I is less than 11, I plus plus, loop execute 11 times from 0 to 10. So loop execute 11 times, so we can input a string that run 11 times. Okay. So here I equal to 0, I is less than 11, I plus plus, %c %i. Here we use %. Class, here we do not use %, because we simply write the string a. Here we not write the string a. Here we do not write the string A simply. Here we write A of I. That's why we have to write ampersand. Okay. Here this is the name of string, and this name of string supply the base address. That's why there is no need of ampersand. Here A of I is not name of array. Okay, because with A there is a I also. That's why we have to write ampersand A. Ampersand A. So here class we use %C. Here class we use %C to take the character of string one by one, not whole string. Here we take the string as whole. Okay, and here we take the string as an input, character by character, because %C inputs only one character at a time. So %C take the input character by character. Okay, and here we print string A character by character. So when you input here hello world, when you input here hello world, so first time H will be entered here, second time E will be entered here, third time L will be entered here. In this way, character by character hello world will be inputted here using the %C format specifier, and here is a %S specifier. So here %S take the string just one go, and here %C take the string by character by character. Okay class, so in this program we print the same problem, we tackle the same problem by %C format specifier, and here class we tackle the same problem by %S format specifier. Problem is write a program in C to reverse a string. So this is a program for it. Void main, and here is a int, here is a char A of 20. Okay, here int I for loop, and L equal to 0 for length. Okay class, printf enter the string, Okay, so scanf %S A. String is inputted here. Class, string is inputted here. Now we are going to calculate the length of string. So I equal to 0, I is less than, I equal to 0, I not equal to, I is less than 0, and I equal to 0 and I is less than, I equal to 0 and A of I not equal to null character. I प्लस प्लस, ये तब तक लूप चलेगा जब तक ये नल कैरेक्टर मिल नहीं जाता. ओके क्लास, मतलब स्ट्रिंग के लास्ट तक. एंड हेयर इज सेमीकोलन. Okay, there is no statement. So one way write this. L plus plus length is counted here. Length is counted here. Initially L has 0. So here L is incremented till from 0 to till the last of string. So L is counted here. Here is your printf. Here is reverse string. Reverse of string. This is basically just a message. Printf, here is reverse of string. It is just message on output screen. Okay, class. For I equal to L minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. Printf percent s, printf percent c a of I, and this for loop is closed here and main is closed here. Class, this is a program. Write a program in C to reverse a string. So this program for reverse a string. Here string is reversed. Okay, class. Here length is calculated. Here first calculate the length. Here L is calculated, and from here to here reverse. String is reversed. Here string is reversed. So class, void main char a of 20. Here a is a string which is declared here. We can store up to 20 characters. Okay. int I for loop. Int I variable is used for loop, and int L equal to 0 to count the length of variable. So we declare length of string. So we declare L. Printf enter the string percent s a. String is inputted here. Now we have string here. After this, I equal to 0. I equal to 0. A of I not equal to null character, and I plus plus L plus plus. Class, here till the string is not completed or ended, L becomes incremented. So after this loop we have total length of string after this loop. So we have length of string up after this loop. Printf, here is reverse of string. So I start from L minus 1. Okay, I start from L minus 1, length minus 1. I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Printf percent c a of I. First time I is L minus 1, so last character will be printed. Second times when L becomes minus, when I becomes minus minus, so here I becomes minus minus means here L minus 1 minus 1. So here printf print second last character. Okay, class. In this way we print anything in reverse order of string. So here string is printed reverse in this section, and here length of string is calculated here. Here string is inputted here. Okay, and this is the variable, and this is the string declaration. String is reversed. here string is reversed from here to here. String is reversed here. Here length is calculated. Here string is declared. First variable, string, array, anything. First declare it, then you can use it. Thereafter you can use it. Okay class? Write a program in C to copy the string. Last है void main, okay, void main char a of 20 comma b of 20. There are two strings declared here, string A and string B is declared here, okay, int I. Printf, enter the string. Printf, enter the string. Okay class, now you have entered this string %s okay. Here you write A. In string A you have entered the characters or string. Now for I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I is I equal to 0, A of I not equal to null character I plus plus B of I equal to A of I, and this is closed, and B of I equal to null character, okay. Printf %s b, and this is the main is closed. Class, this is a program to reverse a string. This is a program to reverse a string, and this is a program to copy a string into another string. So class, here there are two strings. A is a string, B is also a string. A and B is declared here, are declared here. Int I is a variable used in for loop. Printf, enter the string. So you have entered the characters or string only this. Here you enter only A, okay. So what you have entered is stored here, okay. Now we are going to copy this string what you have entered here into B in this string. So I equal to 0, A of I not equal to null. जब तक स्ट्रिंग आपका नल नहीं जाता तब तक ये चलता रहेगा. And B of I receive A of I. What is here is assigned to B of I. In this way, all things of A is assigned to B. When control exit from this loop, the null character assigned to B. The null character assigned to B to signify that B has terminated. Okay, so printf %s b. The copied string is printed here. Class, copied string is printed here. Here B is a second string. Okay, so here string A is copied in string B. String A is copied into string B character by character, one by one. First time A of 0 is copied into B of 0. Second times A of 1 is copied into B of 1. Third times when I becomes 2, A of 2 is copied into B of 2. In this way, character by character, string A is copied into string B. Okay, when control exit from this loop, a null character is assigned to a string, second string, to signify that string is end. Printf %s_b, string b is printed here. Okay, you have enter in string a, but the content of string a is assigned here in content in b also. So b print here, b print here. What we have copied in b, b print here. Okay, so this is the reverse of string, and this is the this is in this program b copy string a into string b. B is blank. A is initially both are blank, but here a is filled through the scanf, and here what you have filled in string a is copied one by one, character by character in b, and in last b print the second string.